So one of the main tools that we're using right now for our research are drones, and I'm really interested in how we can use consumer grade drones, so relatively inexpensive drones for capturing data, really high quality data products from a technology that's available to anyone. So if you're going to sustainably manage rangelands, you have to know the condition and trend of those rangelands and the plant communities and the soils on them. And so my research directly addresses that. How do we do a better job, a more efficient job, a quicker job at tracking the condition and trend of these resources? And then from there, you can make informed decisions about management. You can craft actions and techniques that might address problems that you have, or you can continue managing like you always have because you are fairly confident that things are on the right path. Rock Creek is really special for a couple of reasons. So the work that I do, I could actually do it anywhere, but Rock Creek is cool because of the number of different and diverse projects that are going on here and the opportunities to work with other researchers, and so to tandem my research on developing and improving methods with other projects that are already going on and taking measurements, and so then we can compare measurements, we can identify sources of error and opportunities for improvement. So, and then it's just an amazing landscape with a lot of diversity of different plant community types and a lot of different partners working here as well. So opportunities to take the outcomes of our research and to start to get that incorporated with work that other people are doing other places. It's a working ranch. We have a rancher that works here and interfaces with us as researchers. We have other federal agency partners. We have other non-governmental organizational partners that are all sort of coming together, bringing their ideas here and providing an opportunity to do the kind of applied work that I really like to do, that I find value in. This is almost the ideal place for that because of all the people that are here as much as the place itself.